the Thai dish with the Indian tadka. Hello friends, welcome to Shimi's Dastarkhan. Chicken satay is a very famous Thai dish and I'll share the recipe with a twist. So do watch the video till the end, and if you enjoyed watching my video, do hit the like button, do share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified when I post my next video. So now let's get started. I'll start with the ingredients of chicken satay. Here I took 250 grams of chicken which are cut into strips, half tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, salt to taste, 2 tablespoon of Szechuan chutney, 2 tablespoon of maida or the all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 egg and red food color that's optional. For the sauce mix, here I took half tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, 3 tablespoon of Szechuan chutney, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, pepper powder to taste, 2 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon each of the white side and the green side of the green onions. I'll start with marinating the chicken. So first goes the hot sauce. If you don't have the hot sauce or the red chili sauce, you can add red chili powder. Then the Szechuan chutney, salt to taste, soy sauce, and the ginger garlic paste. To combine everything well, now I'll cover and marinate it for about 20 to 30 minutes. For the coating, here I'm adding the maida, the corn flour, I'll break 1 egg, combine all well with little bit of salt and pepper. I'll season it with salt and pepper. Combine again. Into this paste, I'll add a pinch of food color. That's totally optional. I'll mix it. Chicken is been marinating. Now I'll add this flour and the egg batter to it and combine everything well. Coat all the chicken pieces well. Now I'll take 1 chicken piece and I will be putting it into the stick like this. See? Similarly, I'll put all of them. I have put all the chicken onto the sticks. Now I'll go to the cooking process. Into the pan goes 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and let it heat up. The oil is heat up. Now one by one I'll add the chicken pieces. On the top, I'll add all the left out masala. Now I will cover and cook it till the chicken is soft and tender and it gives a nice color onto the top from both the sides in a medium flame. Now let's check. Yes, see the nice color. I have flipped the chicken and now I'll cook similarly from the other side. Chicken pieces are nicely cooked. Now I'll switch off the flame and take those out. For the sauce mix, into the pan goes the oil. And as the oil heats up, I'll add the garlic. Keep the flame low. And then goes the white side of the green onion. Saute it. Now I'll add the sauces. First goes the red chili sauce. The Szechuan chutney. The ketchup. The soy sauce. Pepper powder to taste and salt to taste. Be careful by adjusting the salt as all the sauces and the soy sauce contain a nice amount of salt. Now saute it for a while. It will take about few seconds. You can adjust the sauces and the seasoning as per your preference. Now to that I'll add 2 tablespoons of water and let a boil comes. See, there is a boil coming. Now I'll add the chicken pieces and toss them well with the sauce. Coat the chicken pieces nicely with the sauce. Give it 1 minute more and then it's all done. Friends, chicken satay is all done and ready. You can serve them with some salad. Don't miss to try this interesting chicken appetizer recipe. And if you enjoyed watching my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon. So see you on my next video. Till then, bye.